Let's toss it over to Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Alan, nice to see you. What are your thoughts about the stock market and the way the week is starting?
Hello, Alan Knuckman from BullseyeOption.com with today's closing trade. First off, last week we saw some profit taking once again, and until proven otherwise, each and every time this market has bounced back. So we're seeing here on Monday a big comeback surge in stocks.
What are you looking for now from the S&P 500?
Well, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a move back above 5,500. The S&P had traded between 5,650, almost made new highs just 2 weeks ago, and 5,500 sideways for more than 3 weeks. It broke below that. So now let's see if it's a test and reject and we get back above the 5,500 level. It should be positives once again.
What do you think could happen next that could potentially push the stock market even higher?
All right, looking ahead, obviously we're getting a rate cut. Cuts are coming, but also we still have a month until earnings season kicks off again about this first week of October. So you might see some volatility because we don't have the fundamental reminders of how well stocks are doing.
What's your new trade?
Trade for today, TEVA Pharmaceuticals. They focus on the generic drug sector and they bounced 125% off their 2023 lows. So it's definitely a momentum stock, but they're still 75% off their 2015 high. So a lot of upside. Now, again, it's about trade what you see, and I see a breakout of a sideways range. Now, a 5-year sideways range, the stock has been between 7.5 and 15, and now we're at the 18 level. So breakout of that 15, that targets 22.5, so a lot more upside there.
Good to know what's happening in the charts. That's the technical look. But what about the fundamentals of the company as a generic drug maker?
Fundamentally, the stock is also solid with a PE of 7, so it's very inexpensive relative to the rest of the market. And like I said, it's still significantly off that 2015 top.
What's your options trading strategy, Alan?
The way to play, I'm looking at a January option. January has 4 months of time. Again, 15 is that strike. That's the top edge of that range where it broke out. 15 call, it's trading for about 4. It's $3 in the money. Again, plenty of time for development. And if we get to the 22.5 breakout target, this option gains nearly 100%.
Thank you as always.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.